We're in Korea right now.
Oh.
Think about it.
Think of it. And honestly, Bingsu, you know, 감사합니다. And then go back a bit. And go. Shit.
What is it?
Fucking cunt. Brand new technology! Yes, can you
Hey guys, we're currently looking for ingredients to make breakfast, but we can't read anything, so this is very difficult.
I'd say vinegar.
I wonder what those items are. That one I think is a...
Wow!
What's my free? That's like $1,000.
I'll bet that.
I'm scared. Daiso gloves.
Moisturizer,
Ooh.
cleansing water.
Yep.
Yeah, but you know what? The original price of this one was like 240.
Yeah, 240 down to 59,000.
Wow! No!
Yeah, I saw this.
What's up? Tak.
Meh.
Holy crap.